Described by many, including the local people, as a wild, interesting, and crazy festival, Danjiri Festival in Kishiwada City continues to attract interest from foreign tourists and people all over Japan. Whenever you would mention Kishiwada to a Japanese person, the first thing they would respond is Danjiri and vice versa. The festival is also said to be the heart and soul of Kishiwada. So what is Danjiri and how is it different from other festivals? Every September, participants from different towns of Kishiwada form a team, and each team would compete by pulling their Danjiri or wooden float on the streets, especially around the Kishiwada Castle area. What makes it dangerous? While some members stand on top of the float or mini shrine, the others have to pull the float while running. The scariest moment? When making a turn or when riding through a curve, the ones on top sometimes fall down and the ones below stumble down. They either break their bones or die. Nonetheless, Danjiri is one of the oldest traditions that won't stop anytime soon. So if you have a chance, go witness it. It takes place every September, and although the dates change every year, it always falls on a weekend.